Ethereum value equivalent to $23.38 a coin. The present reach: $2,323, $2,359. The earlier day close: $2,341. The change was 0.13%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $20.50. Greatest cost $2,920, least cost $2,050. The normal for the month $2,421. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,664, change for December 30.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $26.64. Most extreme cost $3,647, least cost $3,018. The normal for the month $3,273. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,408, change for February 12.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $34.08. Greatest cost $3,962, least cost $3,408. The normal for the month $3,620. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,703, change for spring 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $37.03. Greatest cost $4,023, least cost $3,497. The normal for the month $3,746. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,760, change for April 1.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $37.60. Most extreme cost $3,760, least cost $3,101. The normal for the month $3,489. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,334, change for May 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $33.34. Most extreme cost $3,425, least cost $2,977. The normal for the month $3,234. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,201, change for June 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $32.01. Most extreme cost $3,533, least cost $3,071. The normal for the month $3,277. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,302, change for July 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $33.02. Greatest cost $3,540, least cost $3,076. The normal for the month $3,307. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,308, change for August 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with, cost at $33.08. Most extreme cost $3,634, least cost $3,158. The normal for the month $3,374. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,396, change for September 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $33.96. Greatest cost $4,134, least cost $3,396. The normal for the month $3,698. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,864, change for October 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. Initially cost at $38.64. Most extreme cost $4,182, least cost $3,634. The normal for the month $3,897. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,908, change for November 1.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2020. Greatest cost $4,850, least cost $3,908. The normal for the month $4,300. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,533. Change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $1914. Greatest cost $2,258, least cost $1,914. The normal for the month $2,049. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,110, change for February 10.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $2110. Most extreme cost $2,619, least cost $2,110. The normal for the month $2,322. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,448, change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $2448. Most extreme cost $2,448, least cost $1,988. The normal for the month $2,256. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,138, change for April 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $2138. Most extreme cost $2,654, least cost $2,138. The normal for the month $2,353. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,480, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $2480. Most extreme cost $2,948, least cost $2,480. The normal for the month $2,666. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,755, change for June 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $2755. Most extreme cost $2,755, least cost $2,154. The normal for the month $2,495. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,316, change for July 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2026. First and foremost cost at $2316. Greatest cost $2,417, least cost $2,101. The normal for the month $2,273. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,259, change for August 2.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2026.